What's Team Taylor up to?
I'm Nate.
And I'm Vanessa, and together we're Team Taylor with Berkshire Hathaway. Today we are at 121 Sterling Court, located in beautiful Grass Valley, California.
This home's been beautifully remodeled.
It's fabulous.
Let's go check it out.
This custom home features a primary suite with 2 additional guest bedrooms and bath and 3-car garage.
And it's located in the highly sought after carriage house area.
This neighborhood features beautiful, custom, well-maintained homes and is conveniently located within walking distance to shopping, such as the new Target, Starbucks, grocery stores, and the gym. It's also a quick commute to Highway 49 and Highway 20.
After you, madam.
The heart of every home is the kitchen, and this kitchen is the highlight. It's been fully remodeled, features high-end appliances and attention to detail.
Not to mention this huge granite island,
which makes it perfect for cooking, entertaining, and gathering. I love how the kitchen flows flawlessly into the dining area and the living space.
I love the tall vaulted ceilings, beautiful laminated wood flooring, gas fireplace, and not to mention
these awesome built-ins. Honey, where are you?
Here I am. Check out this huge walk-in closet.
Wow.
This would be yours, of course.
Yes, plenty of room for my clothes and shoes.
Right.
So now we're in the primary suite.
Yes.
Which still has these tall, high ceilings.
We've got our skylight and our ceiling fan, our view out to the forest. And I love these floors, they're gorgeous.
But the highlight for this would be the fully remodeled bathroom.
Definitely, they put a lot of money into it.
Let's go check it out. One of my favorite features about this property is, although it's close to town, it also has this gorgeous forest view all behind you with oaks, cedars, and pines. And you know, the reason most of us live in Nevada County is to enjoy what nature has to offer.
And of course, we have this amazing hot tub over here where you can sit out at night and soak in the scenery, the stars, with this retractable awning. I could see us in this hot tub like
absolutely.
Later today. If you're thinking of buying or selling, we'd love to help.
For a private tour of this home or any other home in the area, please reach out to Team Taylor.
We'd love to connect.